Welcome back to another medical hacking tutorial with your host, that's right, it is I, the Medical Hack King. But before we begin, please remember to like and subscribe for more money and life-saving tutorials. If you haven't already guessed, today we are going to learn how to prepare your own hip replacement. Not perform, guys, just prepare, using the wellness software which you can download from the link in the description for free. Having your pre-op data set up prior to arriving at the wellness center will save you thousands on setup costs. Simply follow the tutorial, export your file, and take it with you to your appointment, saving you time and money. This tutorial demonstrates my left hip being replaced, but will work on the right-hand side socket as well. And stay tuned for the winner of last video's extra special competition. So guys, let's get started. First off, download the femoral prosthesis from the link below. And yes, it's free! Your Medical Hack King isn't only giving you guys another freebie, but it's far superior to the stock prosthesis provided by the Wellness Center. It boasts a full range of motion and printed in the strongest plastics that will last far beyond your lifetime. And to prove your king is really looking out for you, I'm getting my real hip replaced too. Open the wellness software, load your CT scan of your hip, and import the downloaded prosthesis. Move the prosthesis into the position of your femur, aka your thigh bone, and your acetabulum, aka your hip socket. Increase the size of the prosthesis to fill the socket, and then increase its size further to expand into the bone. This may sound mental, guys, and it does, but the procedure will remove bone to install the prosthesis. This is providing the software with data to replace the bone with the prosthesis. Remember to carefully resize the prosthesis in line with your femur. But don't be terrified, you are going to pay for a broken hip replacement. The wellness software will actually correct any minor errors or simply refuse to export the file if it means you'll never walk again after the operation. And guys, I hear you, I really do. I hear you ask, King, why am I being charged thousands if the software basically does it for the Wellness Center? And guys, you are right to ask, because it is indeed vastly overpriced, but with this tutorial, you can safely dodge the extortionate fee. If needed, carefully move your femur so that the prosthesis is in the center of the bone. Now trim your femur neck so the neck of the prosthesis is now visible. And here, guys, I'm smoothing out the edge of the cut. This is to avoid any splits to the bone that may occur. Now the setup is complete, export the wellness file and take it with you to your appointment, and yes, it was that simple. And here's a quick recap of the setup. Open, load, import, move, resize, cut, smooth, and export. In my last video, I ran a competition for all of you guys. It gave you the chance to be involved in something special with I, the Medical Hack King. And that something special so happens to be being immortalized inside of my own body. And if the body of your own king wasn't enough, guys, the plastic prosthesis is guaranteed to last thousands of years. Your name will live on forever. And the winner is... Dungeon Boss!
Bro.
Your name is going to be etched
onto my prosthesis.
And here's the proof of my replacement. And I know what you're thinking, but the king has to censor for YouTube, guys. I'm sorry. And there's Dungeon Boss.
Man, oh man. Look at you go, bro. Look at you go.
Thanks for watching, and I wish you a speedy recovery. And if you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe, and maybe buy a t-shirt. Your continuous support means everything to me, guys. It really does. And in my next video, I'll show you how to temporarily lobotomize your loved ones for an hilarious prank. Till next time, King out.